Poity Baby Carrier Nose Navel Plastic Clean Tweezer by Poity is one of the best sellers among baby nasal tweezers products. Make sure this fits by entering your model number. ABS plastic. Material, plastic. Age group, babies. Short and rounded tips for safe use. Rounded tips. Use this forceps to clean baby's nose, ears and navels 100% brand new and high quality. Features. Use this forceps to clean baby's nose, ears and navels. Security forceps for massive dirt, such as a liquid for nasal brother can choose the anti-choking nose cleaner. The top circular design, more at ease when cleaning the infant nasal transparent cover easier to save, plastic products using no rust and other issues, the finger contact portion with a groove ease of use. Note. Used forceps can be sterilized by boiling temperature. Transparent box cannot be sterilized by boiling. When cleaning the nasal cavity if rejected by the baby, do not force the operation. The best time is the baby sleeping stage. Do not overextend into the infant nasal forceps, in order to avoid harm. Be careful for the baby to clean the dirt gently. When the nasal organs were hardened, painted in warm water with a cotton swab or baby oil to clean up after softening. Please put the forceps of the reach of children to prevent the baby a toy to save, to prevent danger. Specification. Material, ABS plastic. Size, AP 9 cm x 15 cm 354 x 0, 59 inches, LXW. Color, random delivery. If you buy more than one, the color you received may be the same color or different colors. Quantity, 1 PC. Note. 1. Please allow 1-3 cm error due to manual measurement. Please make sure you do not mind before you bid. 2. Due to the difference between different monitors, the picture may not reflect the actual color of the item. Thank you. Package includes 1 by Baby Clean Tweezers, without retail package.